This is a full garden update. Sunflowers. My zinnias. If we come over here, I have sweet peas coming up along this whole fence. There's going to be sweet peas. Sweet peas. I think I saw one there. Across the whole way. We have bush beans, cantaloupes, my corn, pumpkins, and I think there might be a jalapeno coming up in here. Hopefully that's what that is. They should be coming up any day. We have pepper with new peppers coming on, watermelons, strawberries with strawberries coming on, zucchini, and this, we have our first zucchini. This is a cucumber, and then all my peppers look really good. My peppers, all different kinds of peppers. And we have a blackberry here. I transplanted that rose bush. It's not looking great. And I transplanted some cantaloupes over here. And that, my friends, is a full garden update.